The journey begins above the Nazca Plains, where geoglyphs stretch like clues from another era. Ancient artisans carved immaculate lines and animals into desert rock, their purpose debated between ceremonial roots and celestial calendars. From a secluded hill, a guide recalls legends of thunderbirds guiding pilgrims, while surveyors claim the lines aligned with solstices. As wind sweeps the stones, one sees how Nazca culture wove water myths into the parched landscape, its canals echoing in stone. The mystery lingers why such vast art existed, and what knowledge the creators sought that still outlives time.